Hello everyone, welcome to Maple Lodge Productions. Today we're going to be doing a quick unboxing of the Ryobi 40 volt lithium ion string trimmer. Without further ado, let's see what's in the box. Alright, let's get out of here. So we have the bottom part, top that takes the battery, the bottom guard, extra line, little piece there. This would be the battery. Comes with a 4 amp hour 40 volt battery. The handle. And the charger. And the instructions. So next we'll go over quick what we have to do to assemble this. Alright, so for assembly, I'm going to take the shaft. There's a tab here on the side of the guard that this goes through. So we put that into there. Then we're going to line up the bolt for this. Tighten that down. Make sure that's tight on there. Then we're going to take the top handle, slip that over the shaft. Come around to the bottom. We have a bolt, a wing nut, that holds that on. And we have to attach the unit itself. Now to insert the trimmer shaft. Here it clicks. Tighten it here to sink it down. Alright. And that's good to go. Now your charger. We'll have a spot on the bottom here. Plug in the AC adapter. And it just slides right over your battery. So there you go, everyone. That's what's in the box when you get the Ryobi 40 volt string trimmer, and how to assemble it once you're there and get ready to go. Please like this video if you enjoyed it, and subscribe so you'll be notified when the upcoming review comes out. Thank you. Have a great day.